Hello guys. Well, it's a nasty cold day today, and I thought, what can we do? So this is what we did today. This will be for the 16 laying out there on the ground in one of my other videos. Put a new kit in there. Got me a shaft bushing here. You get that back in there and put the butterfly back on it, and then we should be good as new. So anyway, I want to try to do a video a day, so this is what I did today. Hopefully if all goes well, she'll purr like a kitten, and I'm sure it will. We just won't stop until it does. So you guys have a good one.